At the minute we are staying at the Surf Camp, which it's the holiday season and it actually was very expensive to get this room. So for 3 nights here we're actually paying $100 for 3 nights at the camp with shared bathroom, with just like an open space essentially. We didn't have the budget or the plans for staying in Costa Rica over these 15 days legally. However, we are allowed to stay here for 3 months, for 90 days. Our visa is valid for 90 days. But we didn't plan to do that. I didn't even bring my laptop on which I could be doing editing. Costa Rica at the time I traveled had no restrictions. I didn't need to do any tests. It was safe for me to travel here. This is a surf camp. So although I essentially live in like a wooden hut, when I fall asleep here, I hear the sound of waves. When I wake up, I hear the sound of waves. I've always been a nature girl. I've always avoided crowds, and this place is sort of on like a closed island. I think it's called Fisherman Island. It's near Quepos, but in order to get to Quepos from here, we have to take a ferry. Ferry takes only about 5 minutes, so it's not a problem, but it is like a closed off beach. The guy, when he saw us first, he said to us, "You guys don't look like campers. Our usual guests are campers, you know. Here we don't have the luxury. We have only solar panels. We can only charge our devices during the day. We can only take showers with hot water during the day. Our Wi-Fi is very slow." During our 15 days stay, we also made other contacts, and there's other place in Quepos where we will be also staying at. That place has better internet because Matt needs internet in order to sustain his remote job, and he needs better Wi-Fi. So we're going to be moving to a place with better internet, which is Guest House Pura Vida. The other place has better facilities. We'll have ensuite bathroom. We'll be sort of in the jungle full of massive parrots, lizards, iguanas, toucans. The other place is also incredible. Better facilities, nice kitchen, like a communal kitchen area for socializing. I mean, right now I'm sat by this wooden DIY chair. This is this is the chair I'm staying in. This place is very like DIY-esque. You know, there's everything here has been done by the owner called Miguel and his wife, and it's all made from like these blocks. You don't have much, it doesn't feel very intimate, but at the same time it feels intimate enough because only the certain type of people come to stay in places like this. People who are very open, friendly, surface also, because you have ocean literally right there. Right there. Balcony, you can see ocean view.